Multiple clients recently requested millimeter-level 3D modeling for delicate artifacts and micro-human tissue samples. Our modular lens-structured light 3D scanner delivers critical technical advantages. The modular optical system enables precise adaptation to objects spanning 1 mm 100 mm in size, achieving single surface modeling through one scan. The solution achieves micron-level precision modeling and is suitable for biomedicine, cultural relics protection, and precision manufacturing.